the Trinity TXK-0802 stainless steel cooler with shelf. The best stainless steel cooler is the Trinity TXK-0802 stainless steel cooler with shelf. This cooler is made for a high-grade 304 stainless steel that will offer maximum performance and durability. A dark bronze finish is found on its legs, shelf, and the lid of the cooler for a better overall appearance. The cooler fits perfectly with modern and classic interior decor. The container provides 80-quart storage space and can hold up to 96 cans. The entire cooler is placed on a cage that comes with wheels, making it easy to move the cooler around. It is quick and easy to set up once you receive it, and its high-quality materials ensure a better overall resistance to rust and stains, even when left out in the elements in the backyard.